new vlog, my second vlog to be precise. And today I'm headed towards Greenwood Resort, where I'm going for a lunch. And yeah, so now I'll get ready and I will be heading towards Greenwood Resort, and I will show you what's on the way and how is the resort from inside and out. That's it.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Yeah, so now we are heading towards the Spring Valley Resort, and here look at the tea garden on our left side. This garden are quite common in Assam, and Assam is very famous for tea, as you all know. And here we are entering to the Spring Valley Resort. Let's see how it's from inside.
This is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Wow, a lot of people have come today. Looks like everyone is celebrating their Sunday in this resort.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Okay, so looks like we have one more amateur YouTuber out here. Oh, here we have a children's park. I must get that cute dog in the video. There's this nice place for sitting, and there some kind of what do you call this? Looks pretty nice.
The upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm
quite bit messy, and it was not up to the satisfaction level. So right now we came to Greenwood, so I will show you how it's inside, and I will show you the surroundings. In case you didn't come here, you must come here because it's such a very beautiful night and green resort. Here I was stopped by the waiter to not film anymore, so hey guys, this is how we have spent our Sunday by coming to this beautiful resort, and now we are off towards home because it's almost time to 5, and right now there will be curfew from 5 p.m. in Guwahati, and so